Butterflies are in the sky. Let's make this kid's handprint butterfly. If at the end of this video you find it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to share it with family and friends. The supplies you need are glue, white crayon, a black marker, pencil, scissors, a paint stick or popsicle stick, 2 eyes, an orange and black sheet of paper. The first step is to fold the orange paper in half, draw out 2 handprints and cut them out. The second step is to fold the black paper in half, draw a butterfly shape, and then cut it out. The third step is to glue the handprints over the butterfly. With the black marker, add some lines for a little detail. Next, glue the paint stick for the body. And don't forget to add the eyes. The last step is to add white spots with a crayon. And this is the finished product. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.